Hello everyone, welcome to DoT. Today I'm going to show you a trade which I have taken on the 3rd of October 2025. Before we begin, let me tell you about myself. I'm very new at trading, like I'm a beginner. I started investing way back in 2021, 2020, 2021 period. Since then I occasionally tried intraday trading, but I never could completely focus on it. But since last 1 or 1.5 years, I'm trying to learn intraday trading. Till now, I am not successful. So the purpose of this video is to document my trades. And I've seen a lot of YouTube videos where traders come and show they're taking a trade and making profits like millions uh, very simply. But rarely I see people, who are beginners, how they start trading, how their journey goes, what are the challenges that they are facing. So I'll try to uh, talk through these videos that as a beginner trader, what challenges was I facing, and yeah, let's see. So this is Monday, the 3rd of October, and in the morning I was taken a trade. Sorry, I couldn't record when I took the trade. So this is basically at this candle that I have taken the trade. So my setup is the 20 EMA, which is the red line, the 200 EMA, which is the green line, and S3 pivot and R3. These are the camera pivots, basically using a 2 minutes time frame. And yeah, this is Kotak Neo, the broker that I'm using. This is a really feature-rich broker. And one more thing, as a beginner, I prefer this Neo because their brokerage is 10 rupees per order for F&O. And like I said, as a beginner, I find it a little bit affordable for the learning purpose. And the charts are also really good. We have the open PNL on the chart. We can adjust our stop loss and target from the chart. We will be seeing those in the video. So like I said, I have taken the trade on this particular candle when it broke the S3 and 200 EMA, but immediately it went back up. So I jumped onto that candle, and my ideal stop loss should be below this candle. So initially I have seen my trade going to 1000 profit here, and immediately next two candles it came back to break even or even negative. Currently it is moving up, so I'm trying to hold. So uh, on 3rd October, my objective, after weekend I did study my past trades, and my objective was to let my winners run. Earlier I used to scalp, like only capture maybe 5 points, 10 points, maximum 10 points in Nifty option, and my capital is only like 10k. So at a time I will add only 10k so that I will be able to trade one lot of Nifty. uh, Initially, like when I started to learn intraday trading, I used to trade in bank Nifty, but after that, the revision of SEBI, that the lot sizes were increased and all, and the weekly expiries are gone. So the bank Nifty options at the beginning of the month at least is out of my budget for now. So I'm just using 10k, and I'm trading in Nifty. So here I'm referring to the Nifty future chart as well on a separate tab. So yeah, as I am saying, on the 3rd, my objective was to capture big moves. So my plan was to capture like at least 20 to 30 points in Nifty options. If I get a good setup, I should hold on to the trade. And today the setup was good, like it was a dual confirmation trade. I have the pivot support and the 200 EMA support. So this is a good setup. And the previous day also, like me, Nifty was moving up. Nifty was in an uptrend. If you go to a higher time frame, you can see that. But yeah, here on the chart, on both options and index, it is taking a rejection from the 20 EMA. This is scaring me. I'm really scared at this point. So you are seeing my profit came back from 1200 to 600. So as a beginner, this is a really big problem. Like, the fear of losing the money that we see in our PNL. But this is exactly what I'm trying to overcome today. It's not a one day process, I know, but it's the beginning. So I'm just trying to hold on to my winner. My stop loss is fixed. I know that if it breaks down this pin bar candle, I will exit this trade. So I'm mustering all my courage and trying to hold on to this trade. After seeing this candle, my hope is vanishing really fast. But at the same time, I'm trying to be brave and hold on. I see the option chart is not moving as quickly down as the index, so this is giving me a bit of a hope. Also, on the right side, I have added the PE chart. It's just taking a resistance from its 20 and 20 EMA and VWAP, which is again a little hopeful. So I'm giving or telling myself all the reasons that I should hold on to this trade. The biggest reason is the Nifty chart itself. It is trading above 200 EMA and the pivots. So in days like this, if Nifty is taking support from the S3 level, it should go to R3. But since I'm not a trader who is comfortable holding my positions that low, my target will be like in the option chart, S3 or the 200 EMA here. That's the thing. But like I said, today I want to capture a big move, so I'm trying to capture 40 points. So my entry was at 112 and I'm trying to keep the exit price around 152. But you can see I'm not even like sure if I can capture 40 points, so I haven't placed that limit order yet. I'm struggling. I'm fighting my mind. What should I do? Should I book the profit? It's 1200 rupees profit already. It's like 12% of my account. Should I just take the profits and cut the trade? But at the same time, I'm fighting that, this is your winner. You should hold it. So, like I said, I started or tried trading since intraday trading since last 1.5 years, and I have blown my account many times. Even like last couple of weeks ago, I have blown my account, and I have added 10k again and started trading again today. So all these things, like, I want to make back what I have lost. That kind of thought is there in my mind, but currently I'm just trying to focus on letting my winner run and keep everything out of my mind. So I'm just looking at these charts. Sorry, my internet was a little slow the day, so I had to refresh my charts a couple of times. So this is the features like in Neo that I like. You can open multiple charts and the positions are shown on the chart and on the right side of the screen. So you can monitor it really well. You can cut the positions easily. So I see that this is a good or a better platform for beginners. Like I said, the brokerage is only 10 rupee per order for F&O. This is my first trade for the day. So currently, see, I'm a little happy that the price is moving up. It's 135. I need like 17 points more, and I'm happy that the candle closed above 20 EMA on both Nifty and the option chart. but I see a resistance above in the option chart, so that is again making me scared that should I book the profit. Profit is currently at 1600, so that's 16% of my capital. That's a big win if you look in terms of percentage. Finally, I mustered some courage and placed my stop loss at 152. Like you can see on the chart, the target order is there, and Nifty is crossing 24,800, which is a round number. And if it's crossed and closed above that round number, then I can expect another 20 points move at least. That's what I'm hoping for. The main thing that I feel during this time is fear, whether the trade reverse, like price crash down. So that happens in Nifty options every time. So, and it is also nearing the resistance of S3 and 20 EMA. So I'm really scared at this point. The profit is almost 2000, that is 20,000, sorry, 20% of my capital. And I see the candle is crossing 200 EMA and taking a small resistance at pivot. I need 12 more points to hit my target. The candle in Nifty chart on the left, which is giving a confidence, it crossed above 24,800 and above the 20 EMA. That's a good candle, that's a powerful candle, which is giving me hope. I checked the futures chart, the candle looks good here as well, but the day open is just above. So he see the option price is 144. I need 8 more points, 7 more points now. I'm really crossing my fingers and waiting for the trade. I need 5 more points and it is coming down. So this is the most difficult part of a beginner trader. I don't know about experienced traders. I see many YouTubers, traders who are keeping me really calm during this part. They just patiently wait for their target. But see, the candle is falling and I'm really scared. Like it was really close to my target and it fell down 10 points, and that's scaring me a lot. At this time, what I can do is I can shift my stop loss to just below of this candle. That's what I have decided. If it reverses, I will exit my position if the price comes down this below this candle and the 20 EMA. So I have decided that and I'm holding on to my trade. See, our candle is really close to our target, yet it is not hitting our target. At this time, for a new trader, what goes through their mind is I should just cut the position and run away or take the profit, whatever is available on the table. But what I have learned or trying to learn is if you want to make big money, you have to leave some money on the table. That's the only way, right? So that's what I'm trying to learn today, trying to instill that habit of waiting patiently till the target hits. The only problem I see is there is a the first candle, it got a rejection from 155 levels, so I'm not sure whether it will hit the target or not. But yeah, like I said, today's objective is to capture a big move. The volumes on this chart is giving me hope. Volumes are rising and the candle closes above the resistances, so I'm mustering my courage and holding onto this trade. See, as a beginner, every red candle formation on the chart gives you heart attack. So yeah, see, it's really close. I just need 2 more points for my target. 2 more points, that's all I need. But it's not getting there. That is making me really scared, really anxious. This is the time that we doubt ourselves, whether we should cut the position or hold on to the trade. Again, I seen or read multiple places that we should hold on to the trade till we meet our target. That's a discipline. I want to be a disciplined trader. So I'm telling you all these rules, but I'm not sure that I will keep the rules, because like I said, I'm a beginner and I struggle with my discipline sometimes. There are so many trading psychology issues that I have to fix to be to become a consistently profitable trader. I'm trying to do that. Some days I follow the rules. Some days, or most of the days, I fail to follow the rules. So I'm trying to fix one thing at a time. See, the price is 149. I just need 3 more points to hit my target. This is the final candle. I like the closing of the previous candle, and I'm really hopeful that it will hit my target. But at the same time, I'm really scared that the trade should not reverse from this level. Yeah, our target hit. I booked 3,000 rupees today. That is 30% of my capital. So it's a big win for me today. And like I said, my objective today was to hold on to my winning trade. So immediately after the target hit, what I did was to use the kill switch feature. Kill switch is a feature which is offered by many brokers. Once you activate it, you will not be able to take another trade on the same day, on that trading day. It's a feature to control over trading, control your greed. So I used this feature immediately. So time is barely 10 o'clock, 9:57. Yet I took only one trade, and it hit my target, and I immediately used the kill switch. So initially, after this trade, I was really happy. I was able to hit my target. I held on to my trade. I wanted to capture a big win. I captured a big win. Okay, I'm proud of myself. I'm happy, etc. And I was happy that I stopped trading for the day. I used the kill switch initially, but I kept watching the chart after this trade, and I saw few more nice setups, like candles taking support from the 20 EMA or 200 EMA, and I regretted using the kill switch. That is the greed. So I'll tell you, if I haven't used the kill switch on that day after this trade, I would have definitely tried another trade. And like I said, I have made 3,004 rupees. Even if I lose, like, let's say another trade, I was not able to, that was not a winning trade. That would have been, let's say, that would have been a losing trade, and I lost, let's say, 100 rupees. That will make my P&L 2,900 rupees. And this has happened to me multiple times. I just want to make it back to 3,000. So I would take another trade. I may make another lose. My P&L will come further down, and I will repeat this process, and I will lose the entire money. This has happened to me before many times. That's when I have decided that if you hit a daily target, a really good trade, then you should use the kill switch and call it a day. So like I said, since my capital is small, but if you see the percentage, this is a 30% win for me. So that's a really good you know win if you see in terms of percentages. So yeah, as you may feel that uh, like I already said, I'm just very new at trading. I'm still learning. For some people, trading is really easy. They have the discipline, they have the willingness to take and accept the risk, everything. But for me, like I said, I'm struggling with that psychology, but I really want to become a profitable trader, and this is my journey. I'll try to keep sharing more videos of my trades. I know my recording is not good, my setup is not good. I don't know anything about YouTubing. I'm not planning to create a big YouTube channel or anything. My primary objective is to record my trades. So let's say 6 months down the line or 1 year down the line, I want to go and revisit these trades. And during the trades as well, I'm making journal. Um, After the trades, I will make a detailed journal of what was the setup, how I took the trade, uh, what was the SL, what was the target, everything. And during the trade as well, I try to note down like what are the emotions that I'm feeling. But generally, I don't hold. I never used to hold my trades for this long. I used to enter in one candle and exit in the next or next to next candle. But yeah, if I get time, I used to make uh, journals as well. Journaling really helps improving our psychology, I believe, because if we are honestly writing a journal, then we will be writing our um, fears, our greed, our anger, everything, right? So on a later day, if you keep reading the journal, or like if you review the journal once in a week or once in 2 weeks, then you will see some patterns. Like let's say you made uh, 6 losses out of 10 trades, and if you go through that 6 losing trades, you might find something like you have noted. Maybe you had FOMO, you exit the trade early, you did not keep your stop loss. There will be some repeating patterns. So once you identify that pattern, you can fix that one at a time. I have noted down like 10, I think 10 psychology, trading psychology issues that I am facing. uh, i I try to you know rectify those things. So few of the weaknesses that uh, I noticed about myself from my journal are like FOMO, fear of missing out. I tend to enter the trade before a confirmation. Like I don't want to miss the rally. So let's say if my confirmation is a big elephant candle like this, I may not wait till it completes. I may not wait for a retracement. I immediately jump during, let's say, halfway through or 75 percentage through of this candle. And another weakness is taking a trade just because I'm in front of the system. I do not wait patiently for my setup to appear. I immediately jump on whatever trade. I force my setups onto the charts. Then another problem that I found is taking trades on a choppy market. Today, luckily, it's a trending market, but sometimes, let's say, during this phase, if you can see, I sometimes take trades in this choppy market. I do not wait for a breakout or a breakdown or a setup. Then taking too many trades too frequently is another issue. Let's say I exited this trade. If I did have not used the kill switch, I would have immediately jumped on another trade, like within a minute. So I do not analyze the chart further, and I do not wait for another setup. I just see, okay, the Nifty is moving up. I should buy the uh, call option. It will move up. So I used to immediately jump on to another trade. Another weakness is over trading. I used to overtrade a lot. These days, I'm trying to control my trading. I'm trying to limit taking only 3 trades per day. Another one is revenge trading. If I make a loss on a particular day, let's say on my first trade, I lost 500 rupees. Next trade will be purely to recover that 500 rupees. It's not for the setup, it's not for because uh, one trade, uh, the only purpose is to cover that loss I have made in the first trade. So that's a terrible thing to do. I blown my account multiple times doing this one mistake, revenge trading. Then another issue I am having is not keeping a daily stop loss limit. Every trader should have a daily stop loss limit, per trade stop loss limit, everything. I never used to do that. These days I'm trying to do. I have not finalized a daily loss limit since, like I said, I'm trading with one lot, 10,000 rupees, one lot in Nifty. It's really difficult to put a daily limit. I know that many experts say you can keep like 2% of your capital at risk per day. But 10,000 rupee, 2% of 10,000 rupees is just 200 rupees. For Nifty, that's like 2.5 points move to hit that stop loss. So that's not really working out. So I am still trying to figure out identifying a daily loss limit. Then another issue that I had was not waiting for a proper target. So even if I was following my setup properly and I had a good setup like today, I used to like capture only 5 to 6 points because I was afraid. So that was another problem I was facing. So that's exactly something today which I wanted to try and rectify. I know that with one trade I'll not be able to rectify it. This is a start. Another issue is not waiting patiently for my setup. This is like I said, as soon as I open the chart, I want to take a trade. I do not wait for my setup to appear. My setup requires me to wait for a candle close above or below the support or resistances like the EMAs or pivots, but I never used to do that. For example, this candle was breaking down. Earlier me would have taken a trade on the downside seeing this wick here. So another thing is not waiting for retracement. So for example, in this trade, if I see this big elephant bar candle, I would immediately take the trade on top of this candle. I will never wait for a retracement like this. So for even for this candle, let's say this is a good candle, okay, but I never used to wait for a retracement. So if I had waited for 10 more seconds, maybe I would have gotten a retracement to the 50% of the big candle. I could have taken the trade there, still keeping the stop loss below that candle. I never used to do that. Still, sometimes I fail to do that. Then another mistake that I have identified is not waking up early in the morning. So Nifty moves really well during the first 10 to first 30 to 45 minutes, like 9:15 to 10 p.m. or maximum 10:30. After that 10:30, there will not be any good moves. The market mostly will be choppy till 12:30 or 1:30. So waking up early, capturing the early move or like the morning movement is crucial for a trader, uh, for a trader who is trading in Nifty or Bank Nifty or Sensex. So yeah, I just wanted to uh, show this trade and document what I was feeling, how a new trader is feeling while he's taking the trade. What are the mistakes that he's making? If anybody is new in the market, probably if someone is watching this, could be a good lesson for them. It's not all hunky dory like you see in many YouTuber videos. As a newbie, you will have to face all these issues. Like I said, I've been trying to learn intraday trading for the past 1 or 1.5 years. Still, I'm struggling with these many issues. I just wanted to show the reality. Okay, thank you all. I'll try to do show another trade. I'll try to be back with another video like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.